If you want to make the most of gold's moves in coming week, you need to stay with me till the very end. Because what I'm about to share could be the difference between profit and loss, the crucial levels that will decide gold's direction in this week. Like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon, don't miss the next update. Let's start. On weekly chart, the gold has been dancing around a very important zone, between 4,950 and 5,100. But right now, it's sitting close to 4,710, just below a key resistance of 4,750. This level 4,750 is a critical wall. If gold pushes above it, we could see a rally toward 4,850 or even 5,000 soon. But if it gets rejected, look for a quick move back down to 4,600, which is the main support from recent lows. This weekly level could be the deciding factor, so pay close attention. Now, zooming into the daily chart, what do we see? Gold has been showing signs of indecision, but lately, it's hinting at a big move. The current price is around 4,709, just below that all-important resistance of 4,750. This is a crucial moment. If gold manages to close above 4,750 with strength, it could target 4,850 or even 5,000 in the next few days. But if it gets rejected here, we might see a retreat back toward 4,600, a level where buyers could step in again. The next few days are going to tell us everything. Let's get even sharper. Look at the 4-hour chart. Gold is bouncing around 4,700, trying to break through 4,750. A confirmed break above 4,750 with volume could send prices flying to 4,800 or 4,850. But if sellers take control and push it below 4,680, we could see a quick drop back to 4,650. This is your short-term battlefield, the levels you must watch if you want to catch the move early. Listen, these levels aren't just lines on a chart. They are your alarms, your signals. The market is testing these zones, and next week, gold will be at a critical crossroads. Your job is to watch these levels like a spy. Be patient, stay disciplined, and be ready to act when the market gives you the signal. Opportunities like this don't come often. Don't miss out because you weren't prepared. So, here's what you need to remember for next week. Resistance is at 4,750, the big gate. Break here, and gold could rally toward 4,850 or 5,000. Support is at 4,680. If it slips below this, look for a quick move down to 4,650. The key zone between 4,700 and 4,750, watch for signs of rejection or breakout. Remember, every candle, every level, every move is a chance. Be ready to seize it. Gold doesn't wait, neither should you. Next week is critical. These levels will guide you. Stay alert, stay disciplined, and trust your plan. Because this could be the week that changes everything, if you're prepared. Knowledge is power, and timing is everything in trading. Stay sharp, stay disciplined, and let's make next week a winning one.